You guys are probably watching this video because you're second guessing yourself if N clothing is real, and I'm here to tell you guys they are 100% real. They are on, I'd say, another level above Nordstrom. So they're a high-end clothing company. They also sell sneakers. I got some shoes in here that I'm going to show you guys right now, and I actually won these off of a N clothing draw. So I was raffled out, I won, and you got to put all your information in there. You got to agree to the terms, and if they select you, you get to actually get the pair for yourself. And I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys because I thought this was pretty cool that they bag it up. They bag it, then they box it, then there should be another shoebox within. We're about to find out right now. But they were 100% real, you guys. They sell the highest of designer clothing, and I'm talking about thousands of dollars that you could spend on there. The thing is, they're based in London, so for all my US viewers in Canada and wherever you're from, if you're from outside of the London area, people from London, they already know that it's 100% real, so you guys do not have to worry if you buy from there. I did have to order a UK size, so you should look that up before you buy anything. That way you make sure you get your size. And if you're getting Nike or Adidas, for whatever reason, it's like a half size off. So make sure you guys are getting your actual size. So without no further ado, let's open up so you guys can see what I won. Okay, we're gonna check them out to see if they're real, which I know they're gonna be, but you know, this is so cool that, so this did ship internationally. Like I said, I'm from California. Okay, so I received it. That's the thing. I guess it does take a little bit to get it, but the cool thing is, like, you know, you're gonna receive it. It's just it might take a couple extra days. All right. So, oh, cool. So we got the actual end. Okay, let me get this bag out the way. And this is, guys, this is a very sturdy box. So this came, you know, internationally, and look at, like, the box is not, like, you got a little damage right here, nothing crazy, but, you know, you're gonna have the shoebox within this, so you don't have to worry about your shoebox being damaged if that's what you guys are worried about. So let's open this. It looks like it has some tape on it. Okay, about to use my handy dandy box opener. This comes in handy, so you don't have to cut through the, you don't have to worry about cutting through the boxes, you know, when you're opening up your Nike sneaker shoes or whatever you got. You do not have to worry at all, because you can actually control, like, how much of the blade comes out. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay, so the box looks in perfect condition. Okay, so we got something from End here. Got a letter. Let's see what they're talking about. Maybe it's the receipt or something. Okay, what we got? What we got? Oh yeah. So it is the receipt. I can't show you guys all that. So that is cool that it comes with this little card. You got their business card right here. Okay, and what we got here? It looks like a cutout. You could actually make, it looks like a, oh, like a ribbon? That's cool. I might have to give it to my daughter so she could check that out right there. Okay, oh, here's maybe the ribbon for that. Okay. So, as you guys can see, the box looks in great condition because this box is so sturdy. Like, you got double, it looks like it's, oh, actually it's triple, like triple ply right here, because you got the two and you got the insert. So it looks like three, you're protected from three cardboard sides on this side, and then looks like one. So as long as these two sides don't cave in, you guys should be good to go. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to build that suspense up a little bit. All right. So let's see what we have here. I forgot what size I ordered. Okay, so it's 10.5. Okay, so it's 10.5 US and it's 9.5 UK. Okay, so these should be my size here. They are Air Force Ones, and You guys, like, I never won a raffle from them until this time right here, so I was pretty excited when I won. And I probably won't be getting my money back because I don't know the exchange policy, if there even is one. But I checked how much like I could get for these shoes, and it's not gonna be a lot. And look at these things here, you guys. Like, this is crazy. Okay, so they're Air Force Ones. They're white, as you guys can see, and they're also black. And this looks like rubber material. Like, it looks like tire, like a rubber from the tire. It has like grip and everything. And then it even has the rough front right here. Oh, that feels cool. Okay, you even have some of that rubbery right here in on the tongue. Okay, you got some more back here. I haven't recently checked how much these go for, but the last time I checked, which was probably like a week ago, they weren't doing that hot. So I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to them, but you guys, come on, these are definitely real. You have the tag on the inside. Can't show you guys the tag, but 10.5 US right there. So guys, there's no doubt about that. And Clothing is a 100% real company. I mean, I recommend them. I got my shoes in one piece. The box, you know, is perfect. I could just, you know, list these right now if I wanted to on StockX. And here goes the other pair. All right. It's just crazy. It looks like that Lego material that they got going on right here. It's just, man, I really do like this shoe. Like I said, if I don't get my money back, I'm going to have to squeeze in here because I'm normally a size 11, but if it's a running shoe, I could wear a size 10.5. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you learned something about End Clothing. And if you guys had any experience with End Clothing or any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment box below. Subscribe to this channel if you guys want to, and I will see you on the next video.